So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. Great chance! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Ericsson to Anthony. Interesting ball. Good ball. Face to face with the... He's had a shot! It's in!
Well, they would have been looking at him to produce the goods, and that was very kind of him to oblige so early.
Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Well, how's that for composure, Peter? You can see the keeper tried to put as much pressure on him by staying upright, but it didn't faze him, not in the slightest.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Oh, nicely intercepted. Ericsson. Barella. Skriniar. Manchester United leading here thanks to that early goal. 1-0 the score. Sancho does really well to win the ball there. So what can they make of this? And he's in a really good position here now. Good spot, he's seen the run. Dumfries is wide and looking to get onto this. Towering header! That's going to go a long way. And it's Çalhanoğlu. Acerbi. Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. Diogo Dalot. Defenders on the back foot. Now McTominay. Dumfries.
Manchester United can certainly afford to see this half out now and reset during the break.
Ericsson. Bruno Fernandes. Into the final 5 minutes of the first half. Ah, this through ball looks good. Can he finish? And it's in! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe.
Well, when it's pieced together as efficiently as that, it's a joy to watch.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team...
And it's half-time here. Reflections on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Manchester United go in at half-time on a comfortable two-goal cushion. And we are already promptly back underway. No, he's had it nicked away from him. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Now it's McTominay. Oh, well played. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Manchester United clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Now it's Bruno Fernandes. Inter Milan can breathe again, just.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Anthony.
For this match was
He's going to be disappointed with that. Opts for safety. Çalhanoğlu, deftly done.
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of possibility.
Knocks it away. And now the breakaway. Now it's Rashford. Bruno Fernandes. Rashford receives it in a good position. Big chance! And it's there! Surely that settles it. It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Manchester United take a 3-goal lead, and they are romping out of sight. Anthony. Now McTominay. Well, that is one way to stop him. Ericsson. And it's Rashford. Played out wide into space. Bruno Fernandes. Chalhanoglu, and they can counter here. Oh, and he's through the middle. Now it's Dzeko. Oh, give it away. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Diogo Dalot. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Oh, good play on the left-hand side here.
There will be 1 minute added time.
And there goes the final whistle. Manchester United have won big and in style. Everything went for them. Their poor opponents left chasing shadows. A scintillating performance. Rashford picking up the Man of the Match award, and no surprise there. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were persistent and ruthless.